How to reset Control Center on iPhone iOS 18. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Control Center. Control Center provides instant access to frequently used features, avoiding the need to navigate through the main Settings app. On this page, you can manage and customize the controls that appear in the Control Center, allowing you to add, remove, and rearrange controls for quick access to features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flashlight, volume, and screen brightness from any screen on your device. You can also customize the display of the Control Center, such as disabling access from the lock screen or within apps. Over here, tap on Reset Control Center below. Tap on Reset Control Center again to confirm. This will reset your Control Center layout to factory settings. Following these steps, you can easily reset Control Center on iPhone iOS 18.